Hi, today I'm for the new Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the control panel and you will see here a ring icon. Just click on this icon twice and now this icon switch to the mute. This means that the silent mode on your device is activated. Just to turn it off, click to mute icon and switch to the ring one. So this means that the silent mode is turned off. Also, we could just press to the up or down one button, this doesn't matter. You will see here bell icon. Click twice on this bell icon, our calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click once again on the crest bell and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.